Alright guys, Rooster here in Tennessee. This is a Stryker 955 HP. This is the new Stryker 955. Version 2, people are calling it, the newest version. Of course, anytime something new comes out, a lot of people are going to praise it. Some people are going to knock it because it's new and there's some unknowns about it. But I seem to like the way they do. That's my unbiased opinion. I didn't go out and buy 10 or 20 of these. I bought a few of them. Kind of wanted to see how they did before I went real heavy and bought a bunch of them there. So got a couple of these in. I'll try to get them listed up on the website. One of these is already pending sold. A gentleman's got some credit against one. So this one will probably be his. And I figured I'd just take it out of the box and give it a spin here. See how it does. We'll go with this kind of orange color, I guess. Switch it up. But a lot of the same features. Basically everything is the same. Just the internals are the main difference. And I believe the board is about half the size as the previous one. So I don't know whether they were doing that to cut cost, if it's actually better, what have you. But it seems to be doing a good job. I'll let you guys be the judge of that. Key it up here. Audio check check, audio check check, audio check check, audio check check, audio 1 2 audio. You guys might be able to hear it in the background. It's got a real nice sound to it. I always recommend to run a Superstar 507 on these, and I've got the mic gain at what, about 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock there. So you probably run it somewhere between 12 and 3 o'clock on this. You don't have to run it wide open. If you run a power mic, you know, cut it back a little more. But we'll test it real quick. We'll do AM, sideband, average power, peak power, all that stuff. Probably going to end up being a 7 or 8 minute long video. I think I've done a detailed video on one of these before, so no need to go into super great detail on it. You can see all the controls, pretty self-explanatory. It's got everything you could ever want on a radio, including AM and sideband. FM, etc. There's your 6-digit freak counter, of course, very, very important to folks out there that talk sideband. And you've got a fine and coarse tune, so that's also very important to the sideband operator out there. I would favor this radio if I was talking sideband over the RCI X9 because you have the fine and coarse tune on this, and you do have that 6-digit on the frequency counter. So we're going to start out testing this guy on AM, and I've already got the peak kit turned on in the background. So what I'm going to do, I'm turning the back knob here, which is our RF power. I'm going to turn that wide open. And we'll just come over here. We're going to test it real quick, 100 watt scale. That's the peak kit is turned on. And we'll key it up and talk into it and see what we get. Okay, so that's about a 20 watt dead key. I probably wouldn't run it that high myself, but you can run it up to 20 watts. Check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, check, and that's about 90 watts PEP. Audio, gosh, we could probably audio it to almost 95, but realistically about 90 watts or so PEP. Check, 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 audio. If you guys want to see what it's drawing, audio, it's almost 6 amps, 5.5. It's at 14.7, so you guys do the math if you want to there. But it's doing about 90 watts PEP. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it all the way down here. This is us backing the RF power all the way down. And there you go. What is that? About a 2 watt dead key or so. Audio, 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 audio. Check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio. So floating between 85 and 90 watts PEP. Now that's the PEP test. Let's go to average. So average power, you saw PEP didn't change much. We lost about 5 watts, 7 watts, something like that. This is going to be average power. So there's your dead key. Audio, 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 check, check, hello radio, hello radio, hello radio. So not quite 10 watts average off of a 2 watt or so dead key. Alright, now we're going to turn it halfway up. RF power is now halfway open. And that's giving us what, about an 8.5, 9 watt dead key. Hello, swinging 20 average. Hello, audio. Now this is optimal performance in my opinion for the 955. That's probably where I would run it, because look here, at your peak power. Check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio. You're getting your maximum peak power and you're getting 20 watts average out of it. Pretty dang good. That's off an 8 watt dead key. Now what I'll do, I'm just going to turn the RF power wide open. Take my word for it. There's that 20 watt dead key again. Over 20 watts. Hello. Audio. Audio. Pulling forward to about 28 to 30 watts average. Okay. Let's see. Sideband. Upper sideband. We'll go to PEP to measure that. You can see our mode has changed to upper sideband. Check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio. 80 watts. Lower sideband. Check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio. 80 watts. Everybody that loves FM, that's with the RF power wide open. Hello. All the way down. Audio. There you go. Don't run FM. Don't care anything about it. Sorry, that's my opinion. I don't know why anybody would pick FM over sideband or AM, but that's up to you guys. If you're an FM lover, don't hate me. So, that's it, guys. Put this thing back on AM. Quiet receive, I mean, gosh, I don't know how much quieter you could expect a receive to get. Let's see. So there you go, keying up another radio in the background, just show you it is receiving. Super quiet receive on these. Real nice radio. 955 HP. This is the new version, so expect this version to be around a while. I like it quite a bit, guys. Impressed with it myself. Does good. I like the number C out of it. You know, I think the other one may have done a little bit more average power. I'm not sure. I'd have to go back and review some videos, but at the end of the day, good performing radio. Nice, clean, loud. Drive it into a 4-pill. Drive it into a 2-pill C-box. If you're wanting to hook an amplifier to it, should do you a fine job. That's the new Stryker 955 version 2, I guess is what we're calling it. Catch you guys out there. Questions, comments, shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. As always, roostercb.com, Rooster CB Radio Connection. You guys have a good day. See you, bye.